You asked, how to divide 3216 by 3 using the long division method. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 1, making 21. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 21 minus 21 equals 0. Bring down 6, making 6. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1072.